Hey Libra, welcome to the channel. This is going to be your reading for the next 15 days. All that you need to know about your soulmate for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. I'm going to check your person's feelings, intentions, what they are up to, if they are blockages, why so, advice, and the possible near outcome. Okay, so yeah, happy birthday month to all of you. So let's start with your energy, then we move to your focus, your current scenario, past, and where you need to move. Okay, so yeah, what's the overall energy going to be like for the sign of Libra? With Nine of Cups, I believe you guys are in the right energy or will be. Nine of Cups is all about forcing yourself to, stay focused on yourself. Okay, doing what's best for you, or being unbothered about what person someone thinks or what you should do in terms of whether it's going to be right or wrong. No, you're just going to stay focused on yourself. Okay, I also believe for some of you with Nine of Cups, you're getting a wish granted. Okay, this could be something related to your work life, family life, ideal job maybe. Okay, I also see with Page of Wands, many of you guys could have recently connected with either a water or fire sign. Okay, and top card we have is Nine of Swords. In the recent past, I believe you guys were restless, not being able to get proper sleep. Even if you got proper sleep, you felt a little tired. Okay, what else do we see coming up? The sign of Libra. Second card we see is the Moon card. So there are certain amount of fears as well, certain doubts as well. Uncertainty is definitely creating some issues in your personal life. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, many of you guys were thinking of a long-term partner. Things are still unsure when it comes to this person. Okay, top card we have is Star card. You guys in the past were still wanting to be hopeful that this could work somewhere or sometime, and but now I do not know, you guys have doubts. With the Moon card, this person, he or she, could have given you some sort of mixed signals in terms of whether they want this or not. Selected few of you, this person lives at a distance. Okay, this person could have also in some which terms kept contact with the past person. That is the major reason why you can't trust them. Okay, what else do we see coming up for Libra? With Eight of Pentacles in the reverse, if it comes to this person, then I do not see you making the effort or putting in that hard work or making any sort of move towards them. Okay, I just feel you're going to hold back. At the same time, with the Moon card, you definitely think about them, but you're not going to make any moves towards them. Okay, so one card in terms of your person, how do they think about you? We have Knight of Cups, which tells me that this person still has feelings for you. Okay, in terms of how are they want to come forward. See, to be honest, we have Three of Swords, so I do not feel like this person has or will be coming clean. That is, this person still has some unfinished business that they have to deal with. Okay, so if they come forward, they might be hiding a person or a connection from you. Okay, in terms of their energy towards Libra, the energy towards you is death. Okay, please clarify the death card for me. See, to be honest, I'll be very straightforward. This person is not wanting to change much. That doesn't, change the fact that they have shit for you. But someone can have all those feelings, but yet not want to change. Okay, if they are toxic, if they are deceptive, the feelings are of no use. The person has no intention of changing themselves to fit with you. Okay, with Five of Pentacles, I see this person not wanting to put in that serious effort. With your swords, even if they come forward, mind you, I still feel like they'll in some which way be in talking terms with the past person or a third party. I do not see them coming clean. Okay, one more card in terms of their honest feelings for Libra. Chariot card, which is a good card for feelings. This person definitely has shit for you, but but mind you, we have the Chariot, which is like about options. Three of Swords, again options. So which tells me that this person may have feelings for you, but they are still messed up someplace else. Okay, in terms of their heart space, how do they feel for you? we have the star card, so again, star card, the world watches the star card as a very good card, but I do not necessarily watch it as a good card, because I always see it as someone giving to two people at the same time. That is double timing, okay, two timing, whatever you call it. And I believe this person has shit for you, but at the same time I feel they are hiding someone from you, okay, with the moon, the star, the chariot, three of swords, okay. In terms of their hate space, yeah, hate space, this person with eight of cups is still emotionally detached, okay, still find, they are someplace else. What I mean by someplace else is they are invested someplace else. They are not invested into this connection that they have with you. So when it comes to the intention, how are they want to come forward? So we have the world in the reverse. So when it comes to intentions, they are still not wanting to change. Okay. In terms of action, in terms of action, I see eight of wands, that is communication. For some of you, this person might want to travel in order to see you. What can you expect, however? See, two of swords. Like usually my readings are, I feel this person isn't going to change much. They're going to come forward, but they're not going to change much. Even if it's a new person, mind you, they haven't let go of a past party completely. I know it's your birthday month and you guys all want a positive reading, but when you come to my channel, I just give you what I see in front of me, whether it's good or bad, okay? And I honestly do not see it as good, because your person is coming off, but they're not coming off honestly. They have secrets, and secrets that could lead to you blocking them or pushing them off. No Libra is going to accept a person back in their life knowing that they have still links to someone from their past or present, okay? So what's the major focus going to be this month when it comes to this connection? Major focus I see is Page of Pentacles. Some of you selected few of you could be having a kid with this person. Doesn't have to be for all, but some of you do have a kid. Okay. Second thing I see is some of you guys might be in a work situation with this person where you guys met through work and things happened and things got messed up, but you guys still maintain a work relationship. Okay. I believe with Page of Pentacles, this person is going to make effort into reaching out in terms of communicating, wanting to meet in person, maybe even gifting you something on your birthday. Okay, so if you've been worried whether they are going to wish you or not, they will. Okay, what can Libras expect on their birthday? See, if you want me to tell you whether they're going to wish you or not, they will. However, do not expect much, because that might trigger you. If you have high expectations, this person might not be able to deliver that. Okay, so with Two of Pentacles, they're going to be half in and half out. So that could get you a little upset. Okay, in terms of where things could be going, see, I see this person taking action, regardless if they have a third party, or the third party could be their work, their family, their ex, their mother, whosoever. The third party is still present and getting in the way. Okay, with King of Wands, your person will reach out, they will contact you, but it depends on you what you do about it. Okay, one kind of advice for dear Libra. See, justice, do what's right. Okay, do what's going to help you in the long run. That is your future, not just for the sake of today or tomorrow. Okay, this is a long term thing. If you let a person who can destroy you back in your life, you know what to expect, right? Okay, one card for how do they see you now, and you should take them only after you know the truth. Otherwise, you can't. Okay, this person definitely has secrets. With the Emperor card, they look at you as someone who's trying to control the situation by not communicating or not reaching out or not being accessible. Okay, this person also looks at you as someone who is behaving mature, or who is behaving detached or unemotional or unbothered. How do they view the connection? With King of Cups, they know that there's an emotional connection. For many of you, some of you guys might be confused whether it's a sex relationship, love relationship, or what the fuck is this after all. But I look at it as an emotional connection. Okay, they know it, they feel it. Okay, in terms of what's the major blockage, major blockage is secrets. This person is hiding someone from you, or secrets from the past that could be very much getting in the way. And you, if you don't trust them, no Libra would want to stay open or stay honest with them, or stay, their 100% true self. Second thing I see is Nine of Cups, which not Nine of Cups, Seven of Cups, which tells me that this person is very much confused. Okay, they do not know which is right, what path to take, which what to say, and when to act. This person is still possibly messed up, and that confusion could be one major problem in this connection. Okay, one more card. This person could also be very selfish. Okay, their selfishness is killing this connection. Yeah, with Four of Cups, this person may have more than one option and they haven't chosen any. Okay, they are still taking their own sweet time. Okay, third party is a major scenario in this connection. One card of advice: what should Libra be doing? However, the King of Pentacles, just stay focused on your long-term self. Your future self, your finances. Or just start working on yourself. You're really doing good, and you will continue doing good. You don't have to stay bothered about this person. Mind you, whenever love is supposed to happen in your life, it will happen. The problem is many people hold on to someone they're not supposed to hold on to. Okay, and then they'll want to, possibly after they wake up from their sleep of 3-4 years, they want to blame a tarot reader or a best friend or someone who told them that, whatever. But darling, it's your fault if you're wanting to hold on to someone for 3-4 years, even after the person has no intention of changing. Then it's totally your fault. You can't blame them or call them a bitch or whatever you call them. Okay, so Libras who are dealing with fire sign, what to expect? Six of Cups. Your fire sign will definitely make the move. Okay, they have solid intentions of reconnecting. However, it could end up in a conflict over time. You guys could get triggered over something, or they say or do. Water sign. Libra is dealing with water sign. Libra is dealing with a water sign. This person has gone silent. They haven't reached out. However, what can you guys expect? With Temperance card, this person will come forward and would want to, find a mutual understanding, or possibly compromise and find a common ground. Okay. In terms of Libras dealing with air sign, Libra is dealing with air sign. This person is carefree. They care about themselves and no one else. This person has high chances of keeping you hanging. So I believe if you're dealing with the air sign, think it practically, not emotionally. Okay, because this person isn't thinking emotionally at all. One card for Libra is dealing with Earth. Libra is dealing with Earth. This person has very high chances of meeting you in person. Okay, this person wants to and will. Okay, how would it go? I see this person being very sexual and very good looking at the same time. This person, out of the lot I have, I feel Earth sign is looking very good. If you're dealing with Earth sign, you have very good chances of meeting them and having a good time this month. If you're dealing with water, that is something that is silent, or possibly this person is ghosting you for now, but they will come forward. If you're dealing with air, I see a red flag. If you're dealing with fire, this person will come forward, howsoever, because of their very much egoistic nature. They might start a conflict or drama with with as time goes by. Okay, so yeah, one card for what does this person want to offer you now. This person, I believe, is wanting to look forward to you. They have no intention of offering you something major. For now, it's just going to be communication. Okay, let's take love messages or spirit messages. Mind you, these readings are always straightforward. I do not try to sugarcoat them to make you feel good. I do not like all that. Okay, being a reader person, I like to watch videos that can tell me shit straight off. Okay, I would not want things to be mellow or sweet. Manipulator, manipulation, sweet words. So I believe this person might give you some sweet words you want to hear so that you can take them back. So manipulation, could be something that you should possibly look out for. This person has good intention of manipulating you, okay, into making you believe that they have changed and they are perfect now, and you should take them back. But mind you, think it through. Think practically more than anything. King of Pentacles is a card where you should be thinking long term and not just short term. Okay, one more card. Second card we see here is our ego killed this connection. Okay, so your ego definitely killed the connection, not just yours, theirs as well, and you both are responsible. I know you guys are shouting that I am not, but mind you that dear that both are responsible. The ego clash has led to the silence. Passion and solid chemistry. So this connection is very much passionate, and you guys had a solid chemistry. Howsoever, if person doesn't mind keeping their options open and doesn't want commitment, it would lead to confusion, drama as days go by. Okay, and your person is very selfish, so when you're dealing with a selfish person, they'll always hurt you in the process. So yes, this was your reading for Libra. I have a discount code for you. Happy birthday 09. Go to my website. I'll be giving that link. You could just apply it for 15% off 1 5. Okay, orders about $36, however, and it's just up for next 20 days. So go fast. And all those who are in the share market, if you would want to join me, I have a small group on WhatsApp, and we could discuss all the shares, this and that. And if you guys enjoyed this reading, please do hit the like button, follow the channel. If you want a personal reading, reach out on the website. Happy birthday to all of you. And yeah, I was unavailable because I had some throat issues, could not speak for even a minute continuously. I had this dry throat, was had dry cough as well, and just could not speak. So I'm really sorry for my unavailability. I'm trying to be more focused now, less lazy and more focused. So yeah, I hope you'll be able to see more of me this coming month. And yeah, thank you so much for coming in. And all those who want a personal reading, do reach out on the website. We have a discount code going. And all those who are into share market, India, basically, you can reach out on WhatsApp or Instagram. We could discuss shares and shit like that. Okay, I'm very much interested. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.